Pratt & Whitney's been designing, developing, manufacturing propulsion systems for aircraft for 90 years. When we went to go start our design work for the Pure Power family of engines, it seemed logical that we continue working with Cyient. And at that point, we were actually doing things like integrated product teams. This is where engineers from Pratt, engineers from Cyient, they worked hand in hand designing and developing parts on the engine.
We were selected by Pratt & Whitney to work on the Pure Power engine because of our pure determination to be part of a team designing an engine that we knew would someday change the industry. A program like the Pure Power engine comes along once every 20 years. It's the dream of every aerospace engineer to work on such a program, and we were able to attract the best talent.
The Pure Power family of engines has really been a step change in terms of technology. We're seeing double-digit fuel efficiency improvements up to 15%, 50% reductions in emissions, and a 50% reduction in noise. And what this would mean, for example, for somebody living close to an airport, they'll see a remarkable reduction in the amount of noise they hear. It's really game-changing in terms of the amount and the magnitude of these improvements.
We've been working with Pratt & Whitney on the Pure Power engine for over 6 years now. The Cyient engineers were able to leverage their 6 years of experience to help Pratt & Whitney with their test activities. Our latest challenge is to reduce the weight and cost of the Pure Power engine.
Cyient, one of their values is continuous improvement. And they recognize that in order to continue to generate value for Pratt & Whitney, they needed to invest in their people.
A most recent example of an investment that Pratt & Whitney and Cyient have made is the Experience Center in Hyderabad, India, where engineers have the ability to see and touch and learn about the products they're designing for today's engines.
When I go visit Cyient, you sense that they feel certainly the same passion we feel about our products. You can see in the engineers' eyes that they feel like they're part of this team, and they are part of the team. It transcends the normal supplier relationship to a real partnership where they feel ownership and passion to the product.
When we're working with Pratt & Whitney, our goals are responsiveness, continuous improvement, and first time right. 100% of our engineers do this every day.
Our partnership with Cyient has been in place for over 14 years. The foundation of our partnership is built on common values. The passion for innovative products. We're always focused on getting better for our customers and always pushing what is possible. We don't design and develop the world's greatest engines without a passion for engineering excellence. We actually have become better companies as a result of our relationship together.